Hi everyone, so today I just want to give you an update of my Westerland Rose. I have planted this rose last year. So the color of it, look at the color, it's so beautiful. Look at that, and it has a strong fragrance on it. So this is about 1 year old and it looks so beautiful. Look at that. And it smells amazing. So the rose is about 6 feet tall, and this is the second flush of blooms already. So I have planted it right here beside the arbor so that it will climb up all the way to the top. I really like the fragrance of this rose and the color of it. It smells amazing. So every time I sit on this bench right here beside me, this is all I smell. So this is the Westerland Rose, and I highly recommend it in your garden. This is another Westerland Rose that I planted here last year. So it's the same age with the Westerland Rose that I have right there on the arbor. So this is a climbing rose and it's very prolific. There are many blooms on this rose. I planted it last year and I am planning to let it grow all the way to the top of these trellis here on the side of the deck. I really like this rose. What do you think? Let me know in the comment below. Thank you.